Hello, I'm Sania Patel and you are welcome to HW News English. Today, the Supreme Court of India denied the State Bank of India's appeal for an extension of time to provide details of the electoral bonds plan. The court ordered the bank to provide the information to the Election Commission of India by tomorrow. By Friday at 5 p.m., the Election Commission of India is expected to post the information on its website. The court has warned the SBI chairman and the managing director that they will face contempt proceedings if they do not comply with its order within the timeline. During the hearing of the State Bank of India's request for an extension to disclose the details of the electoral bonds scheme, the bench of justices asked the bank some tough questions today like, what steps have been taken in the last 26 days? Noting that the request for an extension doesn't mention any actions already taken. The seriousness of requesting an extension was emphasized, considering the clear ruling given by the court. SBI only needs to open a sealed envelope, collecting information and give it to the Election Commission. Given its status as the top bank in the country, it's expected that SBI will come forward and reveal the information. The Supreme Court of India instructed SBI to share two types of information: the names of the buyers of electoral bonds, the value of the bonds they purchased, and the bonds that political parties redeemed. The court clarified that there is no need to link the bond purchases to specific political parties. After the Supreme Court directed SBI to reveal electoral bond details by March 12, Advocate Prashant Bhushan stated that the court took a firm stance against SBI's request for an extension till June 30. The court rejected SBI's application, noting that the required data was already in SBI's possession as per their affidavit. SBI must submit the donor and party redemption details as requested by the court. The Association for Democratic Reforms, that is ADR, one of the petitioners that challenged the electoral bonds scheme introduced by the Narendra Modi government in 2017, has objected to the State Bank of India's request for an extension. The ADR believes that the SBI's request was submitted at the 11th hour to prevent the disclosure of details before upcoming Lok Sabha polls. Senior advocate Harish Sarve, representing SBI, explained that the bank stored details of the electoral bond scheme separately from its central banking system, following standard procedures. He mentioned that they require extra time to comply with the court's order as they are working to gather and organize the information. Sarve also highlighted that the bank was instructed to keep this information confidential. Justice Sanjeev Khanna emphasized the urgency of SBI disclosing electoral bond information. Harish Sarve outlined the complexities of collating data but was reminded by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud that no matching exercises were mandated. The Chief Justice expressed concern over an SBI official seeking modifications to the judgment. Highlighting the gravity of the issue, the court urged SBI to fulfill its obligations promptly and transparently. That's all for this news report today. Thank you for watching HW News English. Download our app Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.